Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today we have a really exciting video for you guys today, and that is the tech haul I got from Amazon Prime Day. Now, almost all these are from Amazon Prime Day. However, I do have some two outliers. One, which we are going to open up third, and that's going to be the giveaway today. Yes, we are doing a giveaway. Just leave your comment in the comment section down below, subscribe, and you are entered to win. Pretty simple, and you will get one of the things in this box. So we'll get to that again as the third box. So let's go ahead and open up. Now, I got lots of stuff on Prime Day. Some of them are techie. Most of them are techie, of course, because it's me, and just little things I need around, sometimes cables, sometimes all these kind of things. But there are some really good things that I think you guys should take a look at, and some really cool stuff that is new. So the first one I'm gonna open up that I'm not counting as a box because it's already open, but I thought I'd let you guys know that I'm gonna be checking this out, is this Print Brush XDR. This apparently has the ability to print on anything. And it's a really cool thing. A lot of reviewers saw it at CES. I did actually not see this at CES when we were there, but I'm very curious to see how this comes about and how this is. So we will be checking this one out. And overall, I'm very excited to print things. It's kind of like a label maker, but you're printing on the actual device. Very curious to see how this goes and what could I print on. All right, now let's get to our first official box, and let's see. Start with the smallest one. So this is one that a lot of people have asked me about, and that is the Key Smart. So this is a really cool finder for your keys and also organizer. I really like the concept of this. I saw my friend Richie have it, and I was like, man, that's actually a pretty cool thing. Now, the main thing I will let you guys know about these is you always have to be careful with how much pressure you put on the keys, because you can break a key if you put too much pressure on the turn, and if it's too stiff. So just be wary of that. But other than that, I am really excited for this. It has a tile built in too. So if you ever are losing your keys a lot, this is a great gift for someone like that. And it works with Google Assistant too, which is just in the tile. You know, you can you could basically tell it, find my keys, and it will find it. So I really like that. And this is the Pro version. The non-Pro version doesn't have the tile, I believe. All right, so that's the first box. For the second one, let's go ahead and open this bigger one over here. Okay, so this box has a bunch of stuff. What is this big one here? Oh, so this was just a pretty cool bag that was on sale, and sometimes, you know, you might not need an entire laptop bag as the ones I have, which are, you know, very versatile and have a lot of pockets and are really good. The Solo one is still the best one I've ever had. I'll link that in the description as well. But that is my favorite regular backpack and briefcase but this was a really cool looking thin design, and I really liked it. It basically, so it's called Tom Talk, I want to say, and very slim profile, has that little nice beige strap right here for holding it, and it's, again, very simplified. It's made for like a MacBook 15, and it does fit perfectly with my XPS 15, so that is perfect for when I travel and maybe just need my laptop. This will be perfect for that. And then it still has one pouch separator. This is really important, guys, for all your cables so they don't scratch up your laptop. So I like that. It has one big one, and it even has some things to keep it organized, which is nice. So yeah, pretty nice bag overall. Very slim profile, but definitely like this one. Some non-tech stuff. Got this for my daughter, Land Before Time. Who here like Land Before Time? Sharp Tooth and all that. And some hair gel. This doesn't do itself, you know. All right, and then we got some other tech stuff. So we got this Anchor box, and I don't know what it is. So I'm guessing it's just, oh, this is a really good one. So this is a 3-in-1 charging cable. So I have had several of these before, and Anchor is a pretty good one. If you want a charging cable with all of your main three, with your lightning connector, your Type-C, and your micro, this is a pretty good one. It comes with its own Velcro to keep it organized, and it's just really good. So you have the micro as the standard, and then you can attach either the lightning or the Type-C a really good cable to go with, and I wanted this one for work, so I would just have one cable to rule them all kind of thing, and this was a really good one for that. So yeah, Type A, and then either the Type C, Lightning, and Micro. So this is a really good one to get. Again, all the links will be in the description. And then I got another thing from Anchor over here. And what is this one? 5-in-1 Type C hub. So not sure why I got this. I mean, I'm sure it'll come to me when I think about it, but oh, wow, okay, so it's multiple. Oh, okay. So this is oh, that's what it was. This is a Type C hub that can actually charge a full 60 or 65 watts. God, their branding is so minimal, which is typically good, but I do not know how much charges. But so it is a 5-in-1 Type C connector. The big thing about it though is that it can actually charge while using this. That's a big thing because a lot of adapters or hubs do not let you charge while using them. So that's one thing that I really like this one. And this one has a PD charge, so you can quickly charge your laptop, MacBook, or Dell XPS like I have, so it can charge everything. You have a full SD card reader, micro SD card reader, and 2 full Type A USBs. So this is really good. This is a nice one. Again, if you just want to charge your laptop but still need more ports, USB ports, or your card reader, this is a good one to go on. This is definitely going on my trip to New York with me to Unpacked, because anytime you need to download stuff like that, that's a good thing to have. All right, that was 3, right? I think we're at 3. So now we have the unboxing of the giveaway box. So we are going to be giving one of these things away, and if you know me, you know the name Jabra. And why do you know that name? Because the 65T Elite and sport or non-sport have been my favorite and definitively the best true wireless headphones I have had for the past year. I've tried out a lot, Beats Pro, AirPods, and lots of others, but these have consistently been the best. The Galaxy Buds are the best, I would say, for the price, but if you want the absolute best quality, these have been the best. I am excited for a newer version with like a Type C connection or wireless charging, things like that. They can be improved upon, but overall, best sound quality, great battery life, and just all around better than any other ones I've tested, bar none. So Jabra has sent us some, along with some new headphones that we're gonna review. So we have the 65T Elite and the 65T Elite Active in this brand new red color. Oof, I'm getting some Iron Man vibes off of this one because it has that red and that copper one. Well, one of these is going to be going to a lucky winner. Again, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below on this video, and I'm going to pick a random person in the comment section. So good luck. No, you don't get more consideration for doing multiple comments, just one comment entry. All right, so again, these have been awesome, and I really like this color. I might have to trade mine in for this color. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe one of you guys will get it instead, but we're gonna be giving one of those away. And we have, just in time for my plane ride to New York, the 85H Elite over-ear headphones. These ones I have been very extremely interested in because Jabra is the brand, the only brand to ever beat the Starbucks challenge. What does that mean? It means you can actually have a conversation with Bluetooth headphones in the Starbucks. They're the only ones to ever do it. And I'm very curious if this can have a repeat of that because I've never had over-ear headphones that have been able to do it. The ones they had were the on-ear 75E Evolve, I believe they were called. But this one, it is the first over-ear that has really good mics for phone calls in cancellation. So I'm really curious to see this one, and definitely curious to see how it stacks up to all the other big heavy hitters. And I truly do believe if Jabra did what they did with their true wireless headphones, these ones are gonna be my new top one. So we'll have to wait and see. I'm definitely gonna let you guys know. All right. And we got this one. This is the Mag Connect for the Key Smart. So I got a bunch of these. And what these are just the ability to have 2 separate hooks. So for like your car, if you're doing a valet or anything like that, you can just quickly take it apart with the magnet. So it's a really nice and simple way to kind of give your keys and have it so that your regular set of keys and your car keys can separate very easily. Again, just a nice way that I thought was like, man, it's on sale, it's Prime Day, this is how they get you, and they definitely got me. All right, let's check out this, which I believe is a case. So this is a case for the Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite. We're gonna be checking out this tablet pretty soon, and I noticed that it didn't have a place for the pen. So because of that, I definitely wanted to have a case that fits it. Now I hope this does fit it right, because with the MediaPad M5 Lite, I have gotten 2 cases that did not fit it properly. I guess they were like for different media pads and not the specific one that I had. But MediaPad M5 Lite is what I looked for, and I got the wrong ones, like the camera was in the wrong place, so hopefully this fits properly. But the main important part is, if you have a tablet that has a pen, you always want to look for this little part where you can put the pen in, so you have a place to put the pen. Very important. All right, let's check out these other boxes. I'll leave the biggest one for the last part. If you ever want a power strip, simple power strip, I recommend going a little bit further and getting this one. This is the Belkin Surge Protect. It is an 8 outlet one, but the big part about this one is that you can move these around. So basically, even if the brick is big, you can actually separate it and be able to connect every single one of them. The problem with today's outlets is when you get that regular strip, you're not using more than half of them because of these big bricks that kind of don't let you separate everything properly. This does, and it was just on sale, so I got it. If you can ever get one with rotating plugs, that's definitely one you want to get. They have a bigger one of this that I use for my computer and my TV, but this one is just kind of my everyday go-to one now. I don't get the regular flat ones anymore, just because I always run into trouble and like, oh my God, I need something better, because all these big plugs will not fit in here. Then some socks. I'm sure they got some technology in there, right? Some, you know, breathing and all that kind of stuff, so yeah. And now this big one. Now I think I know what this one is. I think this is my first foray into my baby tech line, which we'll be doing over the next year or so, basically. As most of you know, my wife is pregnant. We just did a video, go ahead and check that out. It was our Tech in Love review. And we did a video on that, and so now I wanted to start getting some kids tech. And the first big tech that I did research on for about 4 months of research on this was the baby monitor. I think the baby monitor is the quintessential tech for a baby. And I'm looking into even stuff like strollers and everything like that, like which one is going to be the best, cribs, all that kind of stuff. So we will wait and see. But the baby monitor that won out after 4 months of research as the best one is this one, the Nanit Plus. So the Nanit Plus, basically this is pretty much the best baby monitor I could find. They would give me everything I would want, you know, movement, all that kind of stuff. You can really see from any of your devices, no problem. And it had several different ways of having it established. So you can wall mount it. I got the stand version just because I do live in an apartment still, and even though we're getting a home possibly around the same time as the baby, I just wanted to, let's put it on a stand so that way if we move, I won't have to unmount it and mount it back again or anything like that. So really just the best one I have taken a look at. And again, we will obviously do the full review once I've had time, and once our baby is born in October, definitely we'll look for a review closer to the November timeframe. All right, guys, so this was our tech haul. Again, make sure to leave your comment in the comment section after subscribing, and you get your chance to win one of these. Man, that one's looking good. But yeah, honestly, best true wireless headphones I've ever had, and I'm gonna be sending one of you guys one of them. Now, let me clarify, because I did forget to mention that. This will be a US only one, just because, again, international cost for shipping is too great, unfortunately. So I will put that in the comment section. I will put that in the description as well, since I forgot to say it earlier. But hopefully you guys get to pick one of these up, as well as if you want to check out any of the stuff that I bought, it will all be in the description down below. Thank you guys always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.